आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। बहरिया मॉडल स्कूल Montessori Wing class beginner subject GK. I am your teacher Miss Afshan. Video number 1. Topic of the week: primary colors. Purpose: refine the visual sense. Child able to differentiate objects by form, size and color. Okay student, now start. This is red. This is red. These are red objects: red strawberry, red star, red balloon, red chili, red grape, red button, red ladybug, red apple, red book and red jelly. This is yellow. This is yellow. These are yellow objects: yellow gift, yellow pear, yellow pencil, yellow banana, yellow tent, yellow jelly, yellow capsicum, yellow insect and yellow fish. And this is blue. This is blue. And these are blue objects: blue butterfly, blue fish, blue cake, blueberry, blue ribbon, blue skirt, blue balloon and blue bird. Okay students, now start your activity time. मॉन्टेसरी एनवायरनमेंट में कलर टेबलेट के लिए स्पेसिफिक मटेरियल मौजूद है, लेकिन क्योंकि आप बच्चे को ये घर में करवाने जा रहे हैं तो आप प्राइमरी कलर्स के रेड, येलो एंड ब्लू के पेपर कटआउट्स ले सकते हैं, कार्ड्स बना सकते हैं और बच्चे के साथ ये एक्टिविटी डन कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, रिमूव द टैबलेट्स इन द बॉक्स एंड प्लेस ऑन द फ्लोर. Child can help you like this. Okay. And then second, introduce the color. This is blue. This is blue. This is red. Invite the child to help the color arrangement. This is red. Okay. This is yellow. This is yellow. We have done. Now start recognition through the question like 3 period. This is blue. This is red. This is yellow. Okay. Can you give me please yellow? Thank you. Can you keep down? No, keep down. Thank you. This is blue. This is red. Can you give me red please? Thank you. Can you give me blue please? Okay. Keep down. Keep down. Okay. Child tell you blue, red, yellow. Good. Now start music time.
3 primary colors: red, yellow, blue. Combine them all and see what they will do.
Cool moves,
Says blue. I like your pants.
I love this song.
Can I have this dance? Blue and yellow make green. 3 primary colors: red, yellow, blue. Mix them together and make something new. Red sneaking up, blue doesn't know. Mouth wide open. Uh-oh! Red and blue make purple. 3 primary primary colors: red, yellow, blue. All colors come from them by mixing, it's true. You're fast, says yellow. I wanna do that. Look, I'm skating backwards. Whoops, uh-oh, splat. Yellow and red make orange. Three primary colors: red, yellow, blue. Now you know them all, and we do too.
This is your home task from your booklet. जज़ाकल्लाह, ना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।